Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change drawing thickness using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my drawing. I'll change this drawing thickness. Firstly go tools option and scroll down select your comment option. Now click on your drawing option and here you will find this drawing line thickness option and here you can change this drawing line thickness. See this and click on this gear icon and see this. Also you can change opacity if you like and you can change also color. Select OK. Also I'll change this drawing and same way do this and change color. Yeah, this and finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.